Hello everybody, this is Uday Sarvi for you, and now I'm going to teach you the first chapter of your geography book, which title India, Size and Location. Students, you already know about your country, but now in this chapter we will study about the location and the size and the influence of its position according to geography. First of all, we'll try to study about the location. India is a country situated basically in Asian continent, and basically it in east and western part of Asia. It lies between 804 minutes northern to 3706 minutes northern hemisphere. It means it is India's latitudinal extension, and this is India's longitudinal extension. Longitudinal extension is 68 degree 7 minute east to 97 degree 25 minute east. And if you watch it, then you will find that the difference of latitudinal and longitudinal is about 30 degree. It means from north to south and from east to west, the India's geographical expansion is about 30 degree. And this expansion affects India's in many ways. For example, due to latitudinal extension, when we goes up higher latitudes, the temperature decreases. For example, the temperature of Kanyakumari, Tamil Nadu, Kerala is generally higher than the temperature of Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and all the northern states. This is the temperature difference, and the temperature difference is directly due to this latitudinal extension. And when we watch about the longitudinal extension, India lies in the eastern hemisphere according to longitude, and it is about 30 degree. And this extension, the time varies. The local time, there is a time difference between 2 hours from Arunachal Pradesh east to Saurashtra, Gujarat into west. It means there is 4 hours time difference of local time from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, and this is due to longitudinal extension. And first, because we measure 82 degree 30 minute latitude, watch it, 82 degree 30 minute latitude is a standard time meridian of India. It means our time is declared through the Greenwich according to this long latitudes. And now, the most important latitude, Tropic of Cancer, passes from 23 degree 30 minutes north. It means approximately it divides India equal to two equal halves. And now when we think about the area, according to geographical condition, according to measurement, India extends 3.28 million square kilometer. The area of India is 3.28 million square kilometer, and it is about 2.4% of the total geographical area of the earth. 2.4%. And according to area, India is the 7th largest country of the world. And India shares its boundary with too many countries like Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Tibet, Bhutan, Nepal, etc. And India has a island neighbor in form of Sri Lanka. India has two also island groups, which are Andaman Nicobar and Lakshadweep, which basically in the northeastern and southeastern part of it. And when we think about India's culture, India has contributed too many things to the world. Our culture, our tradition, our numerical system, our epics, these all had a great contribution in the world's development, in the world cultural developments. And due to extension, India the total land boundary of India is about 15,200 kilometers, and its coastal boundary, if you watch the India's figure, you will find that India shares large coastal boundary in Bay of Bengal, in the Bay of Bengal, Indian Ocean, and Arabian Sea, and it provides a vast extension of trade with other countries in Asia and in Europe. And this this coastal length provides a vast trade route also. And India has also a great relation with other countries of the nation in the world in form of trade also. So again, you will watch this video and know about the geographical condition, geographical features of the world. In this video, that's all. For the next chapter, I'll come for in next video. That's all. Bye.